Do you ever wake up wondering, is this all there is? Do you remember the last time that you woke up feeling energized and passionate? No? That's the problem. I'm Dr. Dreama, psychologist and life designer, and I'm here to help. I've developed a program called Design Your Dream Life, and it's all about helping you learn how to revive your dream, learn how to take risk again, and manage the obstacles that appear along the way. We're going to teach you how to set your goals, develop actionable steps, and all the while build in success along the way. In this program, you will get 14 videos, emails, a workbook, and a step-by-step process to help you get where you want to be. And this is based in science. This is not woo-woo stuff. So if you are ready to get started and change your life, design your dream life, drop your email below. Let's get started.